Leica Q343 Review. $6,000 for a 43mm lens? Genius or just glorified hipster flex? Ever felt like your gear was silently judging you? You show up, camera in hand, ready to shoot magic, and instead, you're fumbling through clunky menus, stuck with a lens that's meh, and missing moments you swear you saw in your mind's eye. That creeping doubt starts whispering. Maybe it's not them, it's me. But no, let's be real, it's your gear. Shooting should feel like dancing, not like wrestling an angry spreadsheet. Your creative flow deserves a tool that doesn't slow you down or box you in. If you've ever walked away from a session thinking, I could have nailed that, you're not alone. And then the stress piles on. You're chasing deadlines with a camera that overheats, autofocuses like a drunk snail, and delivers color like it's stuck in 2012. Missed shots, missed opportunities, and a growing voice that says, maybe I'm not cut out for this. You scroll through IG and see creators pulling insane detail, dreamy tones, and razor-sharp portraits, and you start wondering how they're doing it. Spoiler. It's not witchcraft, it's better tools. At this point, the wrong camera isn't just annoying. It's sabotage. Your vision is worth more than second-rate performance and good enough compromises. Enter the Leica Q343 digital camera, 19084, the one camera that turns frustration into fascination. We're talking a 60-megapixel full-frame BSA CMOS sensor, paired with a legendary APO Summicron 43mm EF-F2 ASPH lens that sees the world like you do. This isn't just another boxy photo brick. It's a handcrafted machine with phase detect AF, buttery bokeh, and built-in ProRes for jaw-dropping 8K video. Need macro? It gets within 10 inches. Need weather sealing? It's IP52 rated. And that digital zoom? Simulates up to 150mm without breaking a sweat. Whether you're street shooting in Tokyo or capturing portraits in golden hour, the Q343 adapts, evolves, and performs beautifully. Let's talk perks. Triple resolution tech, 60 megapixel, 36 megapixel, 18 megapixel, gives you unmatched flexibility. The OLED viewfinder? Crystal clear. Tilting touchscreen? Fast and intuitive. USB-C and HDMI mean you're rig ready for video, and with 15 frames per second burst plus hybrid AF with face, eye, and animal tracking, you're not missing anything. Oh, and it plays nice with your iPhone via Leica Photos. This isn't just a camera. It's a confidence machine. Whether you're a creative pro, passionate hobbyist, or gear junkie, the Q343 gives you permission to dream bigger. Want to see it in action? Hit play and let's geek out, together. Look, this is not a toy. It's a precision-built, German-engineered beast wrapped in vintage cool. Stock? Limited. Demand? Ridiculous. This isn't about joining the Leica cult, it's about investing in gear that actually makes your work better. Thousands of shooters have already jumped in and aren't looking back. And if you're still clinging to your starter cam, ask yourself, what's it really costing you in missed opportunities? Don't wait. Don't overthink. Just upgrade. Smash that link, claim your Q343, and let the camera do what it was made to do, capture what words can't. Time to level up, fam. Let's shoot like legends.